Good morning. Today is November 19, 2023 Sunday, and here are the 10:30 a.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the STL Sword 3's 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City, Underlock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 19, 2023 Sunday. Here are the STL Sword 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Sunday, November 19, 2023. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Sunday, November 19, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.